In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook shop on Shopify. We'll guide you through the key steps and provide you with tips to ensure a smooth process. So, whether you're just starting out in e-commerce or looking to expand your reach, this guide will be helpful. Let's dive into it. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. You'll find this on your main dashboard. Here, look for the Apps section. This is your gateway to expanding functionalities on your Shopify store. Once you're there, click on the link to visit the Shopify App Store. Now, you need to look for an app called Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Once you locate it, go ahead and install this app. It's a vital tool that integrates your Shopify store with Facebook's sales platform. With the app installed, it's time to connect your Facebook account and your business page. Open the app, and you'll see prompts that guide you through this process. Just follow along, and when prompted, select your Facebook business page. This step is essential to ensure that your products appear on the right Facebook page where customers can see them. Next, we'll focus on integrating some essential tools. Connecting your Facebook Business Manager account is pivotal here, as it serves as the central hub for all your Facebook marketing activities. Also, you'll need to choose a metapixel, a crucial component for tracking customer interactions and gathering insights on how visitors engage with your Facebook shop. If you don't have a metapixel yet, you'll have the option to create one during the setup. Once your account and tools are linked, the app will automatically sync your Shopify products with your Facebook catalog. This synchronization is seamless and helps ensure that any changes you make to products on Shopify are reflected in your Facebook shop. After your product catalog is synced, it's time to make your products live. You can decide which items you'd like to publish in your Facebook shop, allowing customers on Facebook and Instagram to browse what you offer. This step is essentially like opening the digital doors of your shop to a whole new audience on social media. Before we wrap up, here are a few important considerations. Ensure that your Facebook Business Manager account is properly set up because it's crucial for running a Facebook shop. Your product catalog should meet Facebook's requirements to be eligible for showcasing. Additionally, don't forget to review and accept Facebook's terms and conditions, as compliance is key. And there you have it. Your Facebook shop is now set up and ready to welcome customers. Remember, expanding your store to Facebook opens up new opportunities to reach a broader audience, so take advantage of this powerful integration. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new Facebook shop.